This is the follow-up to my installation of my Denali horn, my CTX700N. I did take off the plastic cowling area to get to the electrical connections on the horn, and then I rerouted the wiring over the engine using extension materials so that the horn could be relocated to the other side of the bike to this location. I did fabricate a small aluminum bracket which may have to be upgraded, and it is attached via a stainless clamp on part of the bike frame. This is the sound of the ending product.